What a dreary day it is outside. But you know what makes it not dreary? We're going fishing, that's what makes it not dreary. Yeah! I'm holding this camera very precariously, I'd better stop this. So, it is literally the last full day of us being here in Virginia. Yeah, I know, it's crazy, right? You know, the thing was, we were going to be going fishing on the Sunday of last week. However, rain and the fact that of all the different licensing and all these different dumb rules debacle, we weren't going to go fishing again. I was wanting to go fishing for 2 days and we weren't. However, after recently posting some pictures on FishBrain of those little micros we caught in the last video, I think he's a local named, I forget how you pronounce his name, I'll leave an annotation right now of his name on FishBrain. He actually gave us some advice on where to go to catch one of my target species that I wanted to catch, which is a sculpin that's only native to this drainage basin. So we're going to be going to that creek today. Oh, thank you. We got to get some licensing, but we could catch a new species that is only endemic to where we are right now. That's insane! Let's go! That's some absolutely freaking amazing water. Okay, we've arrived at the spot. I'm not going to be showing you guys where it is because there's some fly anglers around. I don't want to give this place away to everyone. You know, I gotta keep these little hidden spots secret, you know. What if you had this secret spot where there's some really rare fish that you only know about and then you got lots of hooligans coming, so you don't want that. You don't want that, so that's good. But yeah, this looks extremely good for sculpins, which is what our target species is. So, we're going to be heading down to those little riffles, putting some baits underneath some of those big boulders and see if we can catch one. Let's go! Tip time! So, I'm not going to put on the standard rig that I always use. I'm going to be putting on a this is my specialty darter rig. I've got an absolutely giant weight on there. It's because I want to make sure it's really steady in the current. And I'm using, look how short of a leader I'm using. That's how long it is. I want to make it so that way I have the closest contact with the fish I can. So that way I can place it really precisely. That's just my general rule of thumb. Oh, got it. What is that? Looks like a dace, maybe. That's a dace, for sure. Yeah, that's a dace. No, if it's a black, it looks like a black nose. This is a black nose dace. That is one. Look at that, first fish. Now that's 100% confirms black nose dace as a fish for me. You got one?
I got one.
You got a black nose dace. Let's go. Come on, let's get him in the photo tank. Let's go.
Number 36.
Yeah, look at that.
Look at that beauty.
The black nose dace.
Yes.
Unhook him in. Well, the first species of the day. That's actually interesting. The black nose dace. I would figure out whether they were eastern or western black nose dace, but recently there's been some controversy on whether some of them are a species, so we're just considering them black nose dace as a species, which is Rhynctis atratulus, I believe. Yep. Very cool little fish. Oh, he's doing something. Here, let's here. I'm not sure which is which, but
think mine was the bigger one.
It might have been. Well, that should be enough to ID. And this guy? That should be enough to ID. Okay, let's let these little guys go. Nice! And they are not harmed one bit. They are nice and lively.
Yeah.
Okay, let's let these little
That's not a
buggers...
new species for you, huh?
Supposedly I have one from Indiana. However, it was kind of iffy on whether it was really a black-nosed dace. This is 100% confirmed. There they go. Got something! Holy crap, dude! Oh my gosh! I just got a darter! Oh my gosh! That's a darter! Holy crap, dude! I just caught a darter from underneath this rock! Holy crap! This is why we go microfishing! Okay, he's alive. Okay. Holy cow, we just caught a freaking darter, dude! Let's go! Yeah, that $8 was so worth it! Oh my gosh. I don't think I have this guy either. Well guys, just caught this little darter. Can't get any better than this. I'm living dangerously. Look at that. Better put this camera away. So, here's the deal. I've got a little panther martin now on here. And the reason why is because I want to either A, catch a trout, or B, to see what kind of predatory species are in here. Now, you're probably thinking, Evan, aren't you being illegal right now and fishing without a trout stamp? Well, even if... Well, first off, I don't need a trout stamp because I'm under 16. But second, if I was over 16, this is not stocked with trout. These have wild trout in it. And so the reason why you have to actually buy a trout stamp is because it funds the trout stockings. So if there's no stocking, then you don't have to buy a trout stamp. See the logic? Yeah, you see the logic. Dude! One ate it! Going! Oh, that was another rainbow! There were some rainbows eating my bait. But now my freaking line is all tangled in an entirely ginormous mess. I know. Rip Panther Martin.
Get it?
What do you think?
Got it.
Rip, rip, rippity rip, rip, rip. Well, sadly, I did not catch a rainbow. I got 2 bites, as you guys saw. Snagged my panther martin, got it out, and now it's a tree ornament. And I literally had just bought that thing. That's nice, but nonetheless, today was an amazing day. I mean, what better can you ask for? Beautiful countryside. I mean, it's literally insane how beautiful this is. I think I might have seen some owls fly into these trees. I mean, it is absolutely gorgeous out here. It's been an amazing day today. I'm really excited, and hopefully we will be coming back here in the near future. And, well, let's just say I could be living here for the rest of my life very soon. However, this does not mean that this is going to be the rest of the videos. Now, we are going to be going back to Indiana actually tomorrow, so you will get to see some of the dirty, stinky rivers of the Corn State once again for some more months. So, thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed. And this is me and Evan. Evan and John, signing out.